Good evening, everybody. In today's lesson, we are going to start another video about connectors. There are hundreds of connectors in English. As a matter of fact, we are not going to study all of them today. We are going to study the most important. The first one is because. Because is a connector which is used to show the cause of the action. Some people call it the reason of the action. In order to show the reason, we use because in the middle of the sentence, and what comes before it? We use a complete sentence. What comes after it? We use complete sentence too. What do you mean by complete sentence? A sentence that is formed by subject, verb, and object. There must be a complete sentence before, because, and after it. But the first complete sentence before because is the result. And after because we use the reason or the cause of the action. Look at this example. He was absent from school because he was sick. What is the reason for being absent? He was sick. And what is the result? What is the result of being sick? He was absent from school. That is why we use the result before because and the reason after it. The opposite is so. So is another connector, but this time we don't use it to show the reason. This time we use it to show the result. How to show the result? The reason comes before so, and the result is used after so. This result should be a complete sentence, and this reason should be a complete sentence too. Let's see. The students talked in class, so the teacher punished them. What is the main reason for punishing the students? Because they talked in class. And that is why the result was the teacher punished them. Now let's move to connector number 3. However, when we use however in the middle of the sentence with a small letter, we use comma before it and comma after it. We use this connector in order to show contrast. Look at this example. I felt pain in my head. I felt headache. However, I went to work. It's unusual that people go to work when they feel headache. So, because we have contrast between the first sentence and the second one, we use the however here to show this contrast. However is used in the middle of the sentence to show the contrast between the first sentence and the second one. Okay, now let's move to connector number 4. In addition to, many people get confused by this preposition and they use after to use the verb in the simple form. This is a big mistake that cannot be used in English. After in addition to, we have to use the verb gerund or noun. Verb plus ing or noun. Look at this example. In addition to losing all my money, I got fired from job. In addition to losing. We can't say in addition to lose. Why? Because after in addition to, we have to use the verb in gerund form of verb plus ing. Even we use in addition to in the middle of the sentence, it must be followed also by gerund. Look at this example. He got a new job. In addition to buying a new car. So in addition to buying, this is the noun or verb ing, and we use in addition to with the same usage. This is different from in addition. Just in addition, without to. In case we use in addition without to, it must be followed by a complete sentence. The sentence which is formed by subject, verb, and object. Look at this example. He is very good at singing. In addition, he writes poems. So here, I show two different skills. The first skill is singing, and the second one is writing poems.